have a complaint to make first before I make my order. Yes, I'm back right here. I'm trying to order in this water on my car.
There's nothing I can do, sir.
Huh?
It's a free car wash.
Free car wash?
Yes.
I know us for car wash.
It's a free car wash.
No, it's wash my door only, not the whole car, only my door. I know us that. Okay, now back to my order, okay? Oh, you laugh? My English funny?
No.
Okay, my order. Okay, I want, you listen?
Listen,
Huh? Oh, excuse me?
yes, sir.
Yes, I want two marinad, trois patat de s'il vous plaît.
Can I help you?
Yes, you don't hear my order?
No, sir.
Okay, two marinad. Two marinad.
Okay.
Okay, trois patés cordés. I buy two marinad. Yesterday I come here, I buy this exact same stuff I buy right here in this McDonald's, Springfield Avenue. Hey, I don't say that. I don't say milkshake no milk. I don't say that.
Excuse me, I'll take her. Can I help you?
Okay, hi ma'am, how you doing? Hello?
Yes, sir. I'm okay. Can I help
Okay,
you?
okay, I want two marinade, trois patates si, two pâtés cordés, s'il vous plaît.
No comprende eso.
No comprende, me no habla español. Me habla English with you. Hey, can I talk to your manager?
Yes, sir. Your driver, come in on the inside.
Eh?
You can come in the inside, you see the man.
Okay, we don't have time, and we don't have time for inside. We have to pick up somebody from the immigration office. We don't have time for inside.
Yeah, but you can't speak to the man on my headset.
Okay, can you please listen to my order? I'm trying to take right now. I'm trying to take the order. You don't listen.
Can I help you?
Okay, I said I want two marinade with pickles, please. Pickles, a lot of pickles.
What?
Ma'am, you don't try to understand my English. I'm sorry. I know I'm old enough. I didn't have to go to school. I'm trying my best to speak English with you. You don't understand.
Sir, you're holding my line.
I'm not holding your line. You holding your line because you not understand my English. And I'm getting very mad.
What number would you like?
Okay. Hey,
There's a number. There's a number up there.
okay, I see number 2, 3, 4, 5. I know what number. Yesterday, I come here, I ordered two marinades, trois patates si, ou de la pickles avec two pâtés.